Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to pack your files into RAR or zip archives using app called RAR on your OPPO A54s. So in order to do that, we'll need to have the app open and then locate the files that we want to pack. Mine are located in DCIM and then camera. Here's the few pictures. I'm gonna select them all, 3, and here press the plus button. Now we'll be able to customize settings of our RAR or zip file, and we need to start with picking the name. So let's call it pictures. The next thing is to choose extension for the file, so you can here pick a RAR, zip or RAR 4.x. I'm gonna stick with RAR. Next is to set the password. Simply enter any password that you want, and if you're not sure that you typed it in correctly, you can always press on show password in order to see it. You can also encrypt the files names if you want. Press OK to save that. Here you can also delete files after archiving or create solid archives. In advanced settings there will be more settings, and in the options there will be more options. If you go for the comments, you can leave any comment to your RAR or zip file, and after everything is set up, we can press OK in order to pack our file. So right here the file is created and we'll be able to unpack it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.